Picture this. Two people start running at the same time. One laces up every single day, no breaks. The other runs only 3 times a week. Same shoes, same weather, same goal. But their results end up very different. Let's start with the daily runner. Running every day builds momentum fast. Turns the workout into a habit you don't even think about. Your legs get used to the movement, your lungs adapt, and you start feeling lighter on your feet. The real benefit here is consistency. You rarely lose progress because you never stop long enough to feel rusty. People who run daily often notice small improvements in stamina almost every week. The downside is that it's easy to hit a wall. Your muscles don't get enough recovery time, and soreness can pile up. Some people even burn out because the routine starts to feel like a chore instead of something they enjoy. Now look at the 3 times a week runner. They run less often, but every session has more intention behind it. Their legs are fresher, their energy is higher, and they can push harder without worrying about yesterday's soreness. They improve slower at first, but their progress is steadier. They're less likely to get injured, and they usually enjoy running longer because they never feel tired of it. Plus, on rest days their body does the real magic, repairing muscles, increasing strength, and building endurance quietly in the background. Here's where it gets interesting. After a few months, both runners actually get similar long-term results in fitness and stamina. The daily runner gets there faster, but risks fatigue. The 3-day runner gets there smoother with better recovery. And when life gets busy, the second routine is easier to maintain. That's why so many people stick with it for years. So which one is better? The real answer depends on your goal. If you want quick momentum and you love the rhythm of daily movement, run every day but keep your sessions short and easy. If you want long-term progress without feeling drained, 3 focused runs a week can be just as effective. Both paths work. What matters most is choosing the one you can keep going without quitting. Running rewards consistency, not perfection.